Mommy got a cold. Please help me take care of Jojo. Oh no! Jojo's diaper is dirty. Let's give him a bath.
Wash! Bath! Bath!
Jojo can't wait to take a bath. He looks uncomfortable in the dirty diaper. Let's help Jojo take off his dirty diaper first. Let's add some fragrant lotion that guard against. Let's apply some soap to wash Jojo cleaner. Jojo is done with the bath. Let's put on a new diaper for him. Jojo looks so comfortable. Jojo is hungry. Let's make him something to eat in the kitchen. What can we cook for Jojo?
Rice paste! Rice paste!
Jojo wants to have rice paste. Then let's make a bowl of rice paste. Let's cool the rice paste down. Jojo can't wait any longer. Let's feed him rice paste.